Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me?
Assalamu alaikum. Yes, sir.
Alaikum salam. Okay, who is that?
Sir,
Sakib.
Sakib.
Okay, can hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, rest of you, who is iPhone? What's the name? iPhone? Can you change the name? Hello, who is iPhone? Okay. Now, actually, you know that 15 minutes earlier, we need to discuss about something from the previous lecture, what we have gone through. You can ask me if you have any question regarding the previous lecture on the block diagram reduction technique. The what do you call that practice problem I told you to download from the BUX and then solve it. And on the way, if you have any problem, you can discuss it now. Anybody got any type of problems on that? Tell me, because you know that going to have the class test next week, and class test will be okay. Syllabus will be whatever things I'll teach you today. Up to this will be the syllabus, and your class test will be on what do you call that? Because Monday is a holiday, a government holiday, you know. So I'm thinking to take the class test on Wednesday. Is it okay with you all? Hey, do you get it? What I'm talking?
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
Good.
So, time?
The time will be same time, the class time, first 15 minutes.
3:30, sir.
3:30. I'll send you the notice and the guideline for the class test, and you follow the guideline. And
So,
is the
syllabus
same
will be up to today's class.
today up to today's class from the
Okay,
beginning.
sir. Okay, sir.
From the beginning up to today's
It's
class
on
means, go ahead.
28, right? So it's on 28.
Yeah, let me check. Yeah, it will be on 20th next week. Next week, Wednesday, just after 1 week time. Okay, this is what the thing will be happened. And yep. And next class, maybe I'll go for one type of thing I'm going to go. I'll be sending you maybe the, now I think following week I have to do that process. Not next week. Next week, if I do that, then everything will be in confusing. What I'll do following week onward, maybe I'll give a go and try. I'll give you the lecture note beforehand. I'm sorry, lecture video before coming to the class. Not next week, following week. And you will go through the lecture video before coming to the class. And once you come, then we'll review the lecture video. Anybody got any question, we'll discuss it within very short time. And after that, we will go for solving the problems based on that. And anybody can show his performance in solving the problem, he will get bonus marks. So it is the way it will carry on. So I think everybody understood why it is important. Even though I give you the video lecture, following week I'm talking about, even I give you the video lecture in advance, still you have to come to the class in order to discuss if any question you have, and also the problems that what we are going to solve based on this in the class. I'll give you the bonus point based on that performance. So it is very much essential for you to come to the class. If don't come, you will lose that bonus point, full stop. And you are thinking, no problem, I can get good marks in class test, quiz. Okay, see how good you do. You can understand it after the city one, that you can do better or not. Now let's come back to the next point. Come to the class is very important to me. Remember, I'm telling you at the beginning, I told you there are some bull that don't come. I'm very angry with them. If you don't come to the class, you will be caught at any cost. If you cannot show super performance, that means you are a superstar. You don't need to come to the class. You can do everything by yourself. It's fine. Then I don't care about you. You will pass. But other way around, remember, So if you come to the class every day and then you do something, you cannot improve your performance or something, I'll be with you. I'll try my best to support you. No problem. But that is
Sir.
essential. Yeah, go ahead.
For some reason, like I can't come to my class.
Right.
So
I
can
have
I?
given, listen, come on. I
yeah.
have given you the emergency contact number, right?
No. I'm saying that can I do my class from the other section?
That's what I'm telling you. If you have
Yeah.
some sort of cases like that, you
Yes, sir.
just discuss with me by email
Yes, sir.
or by over the phone. You can call me, because there are 1 or 2 cases by this time happened.
Yes,
And
sir.
I told them that, yeah, you can or you cannot, or if you can, then you cannot attend the quiz. You will not get the bonus point. There are some case by case basis I will, decide.
Yes, sir.
And I have to verify as well. So you can do that, but you have to get my permission by any way you have to beforehand.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate that part. That means your seriousness is coming there. But there are some people sleeping at home, not attending the class, and roaming around the supermarket or all the dark things. I am very much annoyed with them. And this time we got the experience that student, how they are cheating to each other and the exam and all these things. So you remember one thing, I'm just telling you today openly, class performance give the direct assessment, very important. So if you don't come to the class, I cannot assess you. I assume you are a bad student. So I have no responsibility in that case. So very important to come to the class and show your performance. That gives an indication your status, remember. Copying from each other, I see that same thing copied from each other last semester experience. It means the same answer, same mistake everybody done, absolutely 100% copy paste. If this is the scenario, what does it mean? It means all these people, those who did it, they are under one category. And then if I go back to the class performance, and this is the bonus marks, who get the bonus marks, that will give me the feelings, actually, who are the good gut and who are the bad ducks. So I'm just telling you, very careful, come to the class, show your performance, and that will be very important. And that will reflect in my marking, in my everything. So class performance, class attendance is very, very, very important. Yeah, you're right. Some of you may have, but that one, from my experience, I found not more than 2 to 3% student having the problem with the network problem, power failure, or some sort of family engagement, or sort of things like that. From last year's experience, last semester experience, I already got it. So based on that, I understand, don't show these things as an excuse. If it is real problem, definitely I will consider this one. If it is not real problem, no way. So I think definitely I should take care of you, but I want everybody should come to the class, either in section 1, section 2, whatever way. And if you have serious problem, take case by case basis, I'll consider. That's a special case, and that is a separate issue. So that is not only online semester, and on-campus semester also I consider special case for the students. It can happen. That is nothing. It's all right. I hope that everybody understood the importance of attending the class. I am telling you, no attendance marks doesn't mean whatever you like to do, you do. I want, if you really want to assess properly, you have to come to the class. And that is what mandatory, from me, I'm telling you, because I'm going to assess in the class. And that is very important. Your interview, viva, all this garbage thing is not also necessary if in the class you come and assess from the bonus mark performance. So remember, very important, try to come and ask your other friends, those who are thinking themselves very smart, tell them also to come and join. Otherwise, they'll be loser. Full stop. Yes, PL, what is your question?
Sir, 26th October is public holiday, sir. We have Durga Puja.
That's right. And that's why the exam class test will be cancelled on that day. So class test will be held on 28th. City 1.
Okay, sir.
And I'm going to send you the, what do you call that, notice. And syllabus will be up to today. Whatever the thing I'll teach you from the beginning will be the syllabus for the City 1. Okay? PL?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Now let's come back to the point. Today, actually, first 15 minutes is supposed to go for discussion, as I told you. But I think, I don't know how many of you have done the problems from the BUX. And it can download it from there, and you can solve the problem from BUX. I'm telling you in the class, last declaration to you all. You please tell your friends, those who are sleeping at home, tell them to join the class. This is very important to attend the class. I told you so long. So if you have any well-wisher, if you have any friends, those who are not joining, you can tell them, and later on can tell them the importance of the of joining, attending the class. But I'm just telling you all, please, you can just inform your friends to come to the class. This is very important. Bonus marks in the class, very, very important. So all of you, please help each other by informing them to come and join. Yeah, go ahead, faster. I'm going
Sir, sir, I have a question. A student told me that when he couldn't enroll on the Bucks course when he on control. Right?
Oh, yeah, one student, what's his name?
Maybe
One girl, is it?
Sanjida
One girl,
Majid.
yeah, Sanjida,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
That's a special case, and he already informed all the lecturers. And for control, I have increased the enrollment date, and I already told her she can. If she cannot, then something wrong in the registry office maybe, or something. Because, and I also invited her by email, and I sent her the email also. Can you ask her to call me at my emergency number?
Yes, sir. I just screenshot your the number. You gave it on email.
And she's getting my email because she's in my email list.
Oh.
And she is supposed to attend the class because I sent the Zoom link by email, right?
That's it. Don't know, sir.
What do you don't know? You didn't get my email?
No, sir. I get it.
Oh, no. I
out.
checked her. I checked her email. I checked her email, and I'm sorry. I'm just telling you, I sent the email to her, and you can just give her one thing. If she said no, she is not getting my email, or she cannot attend the online class, but she told that she attended. I don't know how she represented to you. You tell her immediately to give me a call at my emergency number. You give her the emergency contact number. Should be fine.
Okay, sir. Yes,
then
sir.
all will be solved. No problem. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much for raising this.
Thank you.
That is the issue. I think that is already handled. And any other type of question, if you have, then you can just tell me now. Otherwise, we can jump to the Tazwar, bit faster. Rahat Tazwar.
Sir, will you open anything like Google Classroom or Slack?
No, in the Zoom, actually, we can do the thing if anybody required any consultation or anything. What is that required for, you think? Tazwar?
Sir,
consultation.
Like, that is done, sir. Like if any one of us ask a question, all the class can see it. Maybe.
I'm sorry, I couldn't get your question point actually. What is the reason?
Sir, if there is like a common Google Classroom thing, we can post our problems there or any queries or anything.
Oh, okay. No, I want to handle like a real online on-campus, on-campus semester-like way. Actually, that means the guy who is having a complaint, who has a problem, he has to talk to me face to face, and that's why 50 minutes earlier I'm coming to the class. And you have really problem, you come before 15 minutes the class starts, and then we can handle the problem 1:1. And if you can't, then after the class also I tell you to stay back, we'll discuss your problem as well. So before and after the class, you can straight away consult with me directly with your problem. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you left or drop in the box, and it will never be open because thousand emails already in my inbox. I have no time to check it because this time I started on the master's program and a lot of other tasks of CRC, a lot of work. So it's very hard in that way to go. Better come to direct to the class before the class, after the class with your problem, if you really have a problem. You understand? Not like messenger or other guard, I'll sitting down in the computer with the messages. Okay, I think as well, you had any problem which was not solved?
No, sir.
Okay, please, if you have anything like that, please come before the class or after the class. Just think like real life class. And otherwise what do you do? This is your job actually as a student. Or you are doing part-time job somewhere or full-time job? That's what.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Then you have to come face to face and discuss with me before the class, after the class, or if you cannot manage, then always ask for another special time. Maybe I can arrange it for you, no problem. That is okay as well. Okay, now let's come back to the point. Yeah, Mustafiz.
Yeah, sir. Sir, can you tell us that from where we can practice the for problems for the quiz or finals or like
The practice problem actually, have you access, do you have access
yes,
to UX?
yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, in the UX, the practice problem I uploaded,
Yeah,
have you downloaded those?
yes sir, everything is
Okay,
downloaded.
and then sleeping with that.
No sir.
Then what you did?
So I practice, but I think
Yeah, that's what I'm
those
talking about. You cannot solve the problem, right?
yes sir.
Okay, you have confusion. Engineering study at the beginning, I told you, it is not. Do you have a private tutor at home?
No sir.
Okay, fine. Engineering should not have like that. Then what is the way? Way is discussing among the group members, among
Yes
the
sir.
students. But you are so proud that you don't want to ask anybody, right?
No sir.
Okay, if no, then you should communicate each other. That's all over the world, everywhere.
Yes sir.
I have seen
Yes,
in Malaysia, Australia, America, everywhere students are working like that, engineering students. In Bangladesh,
sir.
you should have that practice. So your group meeting means you can go through the Google Meet, you can go through
Yes, sir.
online group meeting also is easier for you now. It's COVID actually shown us a lot of things which can be happen, sitting at home and utilize the night time as well. At night,
Yes,
at
sir.
9 to 11 also, you can utilize this thing for that purpose. So that way you can do in group meeting. If you see that in the group also fail, you cannot solve the problem, then you should, they say 15 minutes earlier, you come to the class or after the class, number one.
Yes,
Number
sir.
two, if you cannot manage your time because of other class, you just make an appointment with me and then
Yes,
I'll
sir.
give you, for your information, all of you, you will get soon the student tutor, because this semester we decided from the department to provide the student tutor officially. So the student tutor, Mustafiz, I think is another guy.
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes, sir.
cooperate you as a
That will be
mentor.
great, sir.
Yeah, as a
Yes, sir.
mentor.
That will be
And
great.
he will open a session like this as a Google Classroom, or what you are expecting.
Yeah.
Sabtazwar was talking. Maybe he can serve you in that way. I think
Yes, sir.
that one is coming soon, and you will get that cooperation. I think this is a very good thing you raise. Actually, others
Yes,
forgot to tell you all. Thank you, Mustafiz, for raise this question.
Welcome,
I hope
sir.
that everybody understood it. Thank you very much. Now let's come back to the class today. Discussion class is over. Now look at it. The topic today we are going to discuss, because last class we have discussed about the block diagram reduction technique. Under that, there are two types of technique: canonical form reduction technique. Another one is SFGA, Mason's gain formula. So canonical form reduction technique is straightforward. If the problem is not that critical, you can straight away apply the law and you can straight away get the transfer function for the canonical. But SFGA, Mason's gain formula is another technique, and this technique is a professional technique. If you get a job as a control engineer, let's say in a BA system or some places like, where you can apply this SFG and Mason's gain formula in order to analyze the system or find the transfer function of the system from a complex block diagram. Because the system must be complex system where you get a control engineering application. You can see is a big aircraft or a big submarine or big system which is very, very complex, and then you do the analysis and then you can see the block diagram becoming very complex block diagram. Now you have to find the transfer function from there, and then you have to apply the technique. Which one? The previous one, canonical form, or the SFG Mason's gain? SFG Mason's gain you have to apply, because this is the professional way to find the solution. And any complex, whatever complex the system is, you can apply this SFG Mason's gain formula to find a solution easily. So that's what we are going to learn today. Now,
sir, is SFG Mason's gain is a technique like
someone
invented it?
Now, Mr. Mason's, he is the guy who actually invented this technique. And according to his formula, actually, you have to find the transfer function. But before applying the formula, you have to get the SFG. SFG means signal flow graph. So from the block diagram, you have to develop the signal flow graph first. And after that, you have to apply the gain formula. That's what we are going to see today. Okay? Hey, okay, you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now let's go. Just 1 minute, just a second. Wait a minute for 1 second. I just, okay. You have to tell me if you can see the screen. I'm going to show. Okay, and now, sharing the screen. I hope that.
No, sir, we are not.
Yeah, no, just
seeing.
I'm going to bring it 1 minute. Okay, now hopefully you can see now. Okay, and all system are same. Once I start, then you remember you have to be ready with the white, the paper, something like that, so that white paper and pen. And when bonus question will be asked, you have to answer and be ready to show me in the screen share. That is the first preference I should give you. If you can show me in the screen share, it is the best. You can't go for screen share, then chat box, or worst case scenario, you can send by email, or the camera also can be. Otherwise, the fourth option is the email. So if email is the option, then you don't delay. After solving, straight away send me by email and then tell me, sir, I did it. Then I can open it and check it. So you have to show in order to get the bonus marks. Remember, I told you several times last class that you please learn it by this, in the meantime. So I hope that you already learned, because the other section I saw, most of them are ready to show me on the screen share. So you should be able like that as well. So what you do, you just solve the problem, get the snapshot, and open it in your screen. And I give you the screen share, and you just show me the on the screen. Everybody can see, and I can give you the marks transparently. Yeah, you got the marks or not. Okay, I hope that everybody ready. And once you start, very concentrate with the full concentration, you listen. And when the question asks, raise your hand. This is the professional way, remember. Don't give the answer unless I call your name. Okay, let's go. I just check first whether you can hear the sound or not, please. In where we'll apply the methods again for. Okay, can you hear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Formula after getting the SFG from the block diagram. This is another method of block diagram reduction technique, and this is the most professional way to find the, or what do you call that, reduce the block diagram in a very much sophisticated system or complex system. It can be done with that. Now, first of all, we need to learn what is SFG, signal flow graph, or how to get the signal flow graph from the block diagram. So for that, actually, we are considering a very simple block diagram first, and we'll see how to develop the signal flow graph from the block diagram. So let us draw the block diagram first. The block diagram can be like this. For example, if it is, let's say this is A, and a summing device connected to that. Then we have another block diagram, B. Then we have another summing drive, which is having like this. And this is the final output, C. And this is your R, for example. And another input coming from there through another block, which is D. It is coming here. So if this is plus, this is plus, this is plus, and this is minus, and this is plus, this is plus. Then the feedback coming from here as a feedback system coming here like this as C, and C is coming straight away go into that. So if this is the scenario, then we are getting these things like that. If it is the block diagram, we can have, and we are having this as the input D, C, R. So the two input, one port thing like that. And this is the block diagram we are going to consider. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find the SFG, how to find the SFG. That is what we are going to see now. In order to get the SFG, first of all, we have to introduce the nodes. What are the nodes there? Anybody see some problem that you cannot see the screen? Immediately you have to tell me, please, because in that case I can fix it. Otherwise I'm going to talk talk, but there you cannot see. So any problem, please let me know. Now, this is the scenario. Then we are going to define the node first. And among the nodes, first we can say the input node 1. Then we can say the input node can be denoted by x1. Then another mixed node, which can be considered here as x2. Another node can be considered here as x3. Another node here, x3, and another one is x3 as well, because this is the same node, output node. And there is another input node. You can say that this is x4. Another input.
So maybe the video is showing very slowly. You're just saying x1, x2, but
I'm sorry, you're on live class. Are you telling anything? Yep.
yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the problem?
Sir, you are saying x1, x2, but we are not seeing anything like x1 or x2.
It's slowing down. Okay. And these are the, see what happened. Now, these 4, 5 nodes you have to define here first, as you are going to do here, like x1, you can say x1, x2, x3, and x3 output node, and this is also input node. This is input node, input nodes, and this is a mixed node, we call it mixed node, mixed nodes. Okay, then these nodes, if you can define like this way, x1, x2, x3, and x4. Then what you do, you can just join them, x1 and x2, the input first node, and you have to define with the arrow marks here. The arrow marks actually is indicating that this is your A. A is the block transfer function, like a G1, G2, G3, like that. A, B, C, D, these are a G1, H1, like that. And then you join the x2 to x3, and then another arrow marks, and this will be what? This will be B. And x3 to x3, there is nothing. So I think if there is nothing, you don't need to draw any. If you draw, that will be nothing but means 1, should be fine. And then x4 to x3, you have to join, and you have to put an arrow there. Can you tell me what will be this?
D.
Right. D. That's it. And x3 to x2, I'm talking about x3 to x2, you have to go. If you go for x3 to x2, x3 to x2, you have to go like this. And if you go x3 to x2, then arrow marks coming here like this. Okay. Okay. And then what will be this? The feedback.
C.
It is C, but everybody is wrong. Where is the error? Something wrong there. Can you tell me? Okay, to the open, what do you call that, live class student, can you please, you'll get 0.5 marks if you can answer correctly. Yeah, Johair. Johair, can you tell me what is the answer?
Is it minus C?
It is minus C. But you have one more question to answer. After that, you get 0.5. As this is, in this case, I'm going to ask you. Just be ready. Yeah, you're right. Let's go. Where is the error? Anybody? It is C, but there is negative C. That's right. So because why negative? Because there's a negative feedback. So negative feedback, you are just connecting here. You are just joining here. There's no sign, negative sign here. It is just joining. So that negative feedback is coming here as a minus C here. I think that should be fine. Then A, B, C, D, all are coming here. So 1 there. So this is what your SFG. That's it. This is the signal flow graph for this block. So this is how, from the block diagram, you have to develop your signal flow graph. Are there any confusion or everybody clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, if you understand, then I would like to. Now let's come back to Joher. Hello, Joher, are you here? Yep.
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me the answer first, and then he'll give you 0.5. First question is, how many mixed notes? You can see my cursor. Can you see my cursor?
No, sir.
Hey.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good. So how many nodes here in this SFG?
Sir, 4 nodes.
1, 2, 3, 4. But there is a 5 node, right? X1, X2, X3, X4, and there is another X3 here as well. In between, there is no gain. There's this one output node. What is X3? This one called what node?
Sir, output node.
And what is X1?
Makes
Input node.
And X4?
Sir, X4 is also input node.
It's also input node. And what is X2?
input nodes.
X2 is mixed node.
Mixed.
X2
And
and
X,
X3
come
are
on,
mixed
please.
node.
This one?
Mixed node.
Mixed node. So how many mixed node there in this problem?
Sir, X2 and X3.
How many? I'm asking. Two mixed node. And how many input node?
Sir, nodes 5.
Two.
5 nodes.
How many input nodes?
Oh, input nodes 2 nodes. 2 input nodes. X1
Which are
and
they?
X3.
X1 and?
X3 and sorry, sir. X1 and X4.
Good.
Are input nodes.
And how many output node?
X3. 1.
1.
1. Good. Excellent. Good. You are getting 0.5. Thank you very much. Now go ahead. To ask you to share with one. Oh, sorry. Within 10 minutes time, your Zoom is going to be finished. So you have to jump back to what is the problem? To draw the signal flow graph a bit faster. All of you, please draw the diagram and you have to find the solution. Okay. From the block diagram. All what you have to do first, the signal you have to draw. That is, this is X1. This is X1 you can consider. Okay. You go ahead and draw the SFG. If you have finished SFG, you raise your hand, provided you can show me in the share screen or somehow. Otherwise, I will not give you the marks. The total marks will be 1. Bonus marks will be 1. Okay, I can see that 2 persons had raised their hand. Time's up. Okay, 3 persons. Okay, out of these 3, I have to ask question now. So, okay, first, Juhair already answered. So I want to second person, Rahat Tazwar. Rahat Tazwar, how you are going to show me the answer? Screen share?
Yes, sir. Give me the permission, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you the screen share permission and show the answer. Yeah, given. Now you show everybody. Okay, after that, Kamrul Islam and Raihan actually, okay, let's see how it goes. G1, 1. Okay. Was the question, Rahat, can you, Tajwar, can you see my cursor? Oh, I'm sorry, you cannot see. Okay, just a minute. What was the question? Is it negative feedback or positive feedback at the first summing device? Can anyone tell? Hey, anybody can tell the answer?
No.
Hi, come on.
Positive feedback.
Sir, it is positive. It was positive.
In the question, it is positive feedback.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then G2, G1, everything is fine. Where is the arrow marks? It's coming back. G3 is okay. Now, your G2, actually, I'm just asking, Kamrul Hassan, have you done it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, did you, I think, did you do the solution in the same way?
Sir, can I show?
Yeah, you can, that's what I'm telling you. Keep it, this one okay. I'm asking Kamrul to show the things, show the screen. Okay.
I'm stopping the screen share, sir, now.
Yeah, I'm going to stop the screen and giving the share to Kamrul now. Kamrul, you can show. Okay, good. Now, who is the guy earlier? Tajwar, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tajwar, can you see G2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the correct way actually, but your G2, you understand where is the problem?
Okay, sir.
Because G2 node start from X2 and come back to S2, and G3 should start from X2 point and go to X3. And if you look at your one, can you see the difference now? Tajwar?
So G2 starts from X3, right, sir?
No, not X3, because that means your starting point of G2 and starting point of G3 both should start from X2. You understand, Tajwar? And
yes,
that
sir.
one should be clearly visible like this way. So the G2 is just a loop, and that loop is just like an egg. You can see how Kamrul had done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the correct version. Okay, both of you are correct, but conceptually Kamrul is perfect, and you also okay, but you have to draw it in this way. So what I do, I will give you 1 marks half. That means you will get 0.5, Kamrul will get 0.5. Thank you very much. Let's go back to the next one. Okay, Kamrul, you can start it. Come on, Duck.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, now we can start. This is X2. I'm just going to show X2. And this is X3. X3. Output of the summing device will be the joining point. This is X4. And this is X4 as well. That's it. Now, you can easily draw the signal flow graph of it a bit faster. I think what you have to do, you can understand it. One is X1, X2, X3, then it a little bit up, I think I can draw. Let's say here, X1. Okay, X1, X2, X3, X4, and X4 can be output. But that's it. First one you have to do like this: X1, X2, X3, X4, X4. Full stop. after that, you have to join the points and make the signal flow graph. So that's it. Now the live class. I'm going to go for the next problem. All of you be ready to copy and start drawing the SFG. Go ahead. I think you all can draw it like this. Plus 1 by S, 1 by S integrator. And this is A1, A2, A3. A1 minus A2 minus A3. Okay, this is what the block diagram. And again, if you want to draw the okay, go ahead, live class, go ahead, draw this SFG. Once you're done, raise your hand. Thank you. All right, so two participants had raised their hand. One is Johair, one is Mokbul Hussain. Okay, let us see first Johair and then we'll go to Mokbul Hussain. Okay, the Johair, can you show the result?
Yes, sir.
Because both of you raise your hand simultaneously. So if both of you are correct, then you will share the marks. Okay, go. I'm going to give you the share of the screen. You can go ahead, Johair. And Mokbul, you be ready. Johair, can you show?
Yes, sir. One second.
Okay, go ahead. And Mokbul, you're ready with the screen. Once I give you, then you can just show. Okay, is it?
Sir, can you
This is who?
see?
Who is this guy?
Sir, Johair.
Johair, okay, good. Johair, B1, B2, B3, and ting tong, ting tong, ting tong. Okay, Johair, you can shut it down. Please screenshot of it. And yeah, you go ahead faster. Maqbul, you late 1 second means you are copying from him and you are
Yes,
out.
sir. I'm
Wait faster,
opening.
do. I told you to be ready. Okay, good. Okay, show me where. Okay. Oh, you did not draw the block diagram. Straight and jump to this, right? Okay. But Mokbul, I cannot give you the marks because where is your input node before X1? Mokbul, you understand? Hello? Can you hear me, Mokbul? Hello, Mokbul, can you hear me? Hey. Okay. Okay, can you hear me, Mokbul, what I'm talking? Hello? Any of you can hear my word? Hey, Juhair, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Is a Mokbul dead or what? What's wrong with Mokbul? Oh, he left. Okay, I think he left. Okay, Juhair, I hope that
Sir,
if you.
I think my internet was off.
Oh, Mokbul, you're back. Okay, you understand, Mokbul? Where is the error? Oh, I didn't tell you. Okay, Juhair, can you please share it again?
Yes, sir.
Mokbul, look at it.
Yes, sir.
Is it faster?
One second.
I'm just showing you where is the mistake actually you have made. Okay, you can see. Juhair, can you show the mistake Mokbul had made? Just show with the cursor. You cannot bring your cursor, right? Yeah, with your finger, you can show as well. Whatever.
Is the first node X1.
Yeah, X1 to X2. You did not draw.
Yeah.
Mokbul, you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the mistake you made. So you should have it over here, the input node, which is X1. Your input node is which one? Where is your input node? You did not draw the input node. Mokbul, this is the mistake you made. Other than everything is fine. It is okay. So what I do is I'm giving you 0.25 and I'm giving Johair 0.75. Okay, let's go. Johair, you can go out. Okay. Thank you. You have to draw the points to X3, X4, X5, X6, X6. So X1 to X1, if you join, there's nothing on. This is X1, X2. So you can just join them up to this. And you can write 1 by S, 1 by S, and 1 by S. These are all integrator. So from here to here, so minus A1, from here to here, minus A2. Juhair, you want to, you raise your hand. You want to say anything? Kamrul Hassan, Kamrul Islam.
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Yes, A2. And from here to here, you can go like this. It is minus A3. Minus A3. So this is your X1, X2, X3, X4 like that. I'm not writing here X1, X2. You can understand it, the points, so that it will be much more clumsy. So this is X1, X2, X3, X4. And then from here to here, it will be B3, and from here, it is B2, and this is from here to here, it is B1, B1, and from here to here it is X. So you are getting here R to C like this. So you can write here 1, 1 doesn't matter, 1 you write, just 1 here, 1 you write, but that's okay. Now this is what the signal flow graph we got from this block diagram. Now we are going to apply the Mason's gain formula in this signal flow graph and find the transfer function, and that's it done. Now have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Anybody got any question about it? Please let me know, then I can explain. Do anybody got question? Sir, how it is that, how is that? Graph tells us this lecture, I think I already uploaded in the BUX, and I think you have seen it. Look at it. This is Mason's rule related equation. So Mason's rules relates the graph to the algebra of the the simultaneous equation they represent. So this actually the Mason's rule, that what I think the signal flow graph rule, actually it follows from the equation, simultaneous equation. That one you can see the what do you call that in the signal flow graph algebra. And signal flow algebra and the block diagram I have shown you is a very similar. For example, I can tell you, just I'm not going to show you because it's already so. If it is like that, the two graph, like this is G1, G2, then what is the equivalent? And you can go for this one algebra like you're going to get a G1, G2. So in the block diagram, you have done it. In the Mason's gain formula, in the signal flow graph also, this is the same thing. Like the parallel case, also same. You can go like this, this, this. And equivalent will be what? Can you tell me what is this things? This is A, this is B. Yeah, A plus B or G1 plus G2. Like so, this is the thing actually. So we don't need to go there. You can already understand it. What the same like block diagram algebra you saw. It's a, now our target is here. The Mason's rule states what? Mason's rule says that the input-output relationship, that the transfer function output by input is given by this equation. The input-output relationships, in our case, we have the C by R, or you can write here U as the input, R or U, and Y or C, C or Y. Y and U, because U and Y are considered for the controller algorithm, that's why, but doesn't matter. Or you can say this is Y by U, which is by CS by RS, also same, all are same, no problem. Your by is same, output by input equation. That is, this is the important thing. What is the input? What is the equation which relates the output by input? So this is your output, just think like that, and this is your input. Okay, so the output by input equation is given by this thing. But in our case, we are going to find this output, this input. So after getting this SFG, our next job is to find this C by R equal to what? From the SFG. From the SFG, how to find? That one we will find from the Mason's gain formula. Mason's gain formula tells us output by input, that is CS by RS, is equal to this. This is how Mr. Mason's had defined. We are going to see it in the next page. Same thing you can see here in the next page over here. If you go there, it's the same equation. If you go, you can see. If you go to the previous page, you can see the same equation, what we saw here, exactly the same equation we can see here. So we can say that only this thing can be C by R, that's it. And now all of you look at it. What does it mean? It means we can define. I is the iteration. Iteration is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, is a summation of the multiplication of these two things. So we can say this one is if I equal to 1, delta 1, plus if I equal to 2 is a G2 delta 2. I equal to 3 is G ting ting ting. Like that, it will carry on. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
And underneath is what? Underneath is a big delta. This delta is coming here. And the whole thing is going on the top. That's it. This is the ultimate thing where I is equal to the iteration I equal to 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot. Now, what is this I? Is the I is here, just I'm writing, where I is the number of feed forward path. Number of feed forward path. You note it down. I is the number of feed forward path. That means how many feed forward path. What is feed forward path? Last class, in the first class I told you, you drive your car from your home to the university. How many way you can go from your home to university? That is feed forward path, I. So based on that, it's the equation comes here. So if it is I is 2, then C by R, according to Mason's-Gann formula, C by R will be, delta will be in the bottom, and it will be G1 delta 1 plus G2 delta 2. If there are 3 way you can go from your home to university, then I will be 3. In that case, it will be G3 to delta 3. If there are four feed forward path, then G4 delta 4. Like that way, you have to define. That's what Mr. Masons had developed his theory. Okay. Now, this is what the thing. Now, let's come here to our problem. Our problem is here. Hey, Dumps, can you tell me? Okay, I'm asking the live class. Tell me how many way, what will be the I value in our case? In this signal flow graph, what is the I value? Raise your hand. Okay, Kamrul Islam. Any other people? How many I? What will be the I value in our case? How many way you can drive your car from home to university? R to C. Okay, so many people raise your hand. Okay, I'm just going to stop it now. First 4, but I'm going to see who is new that did not get any marks yet. Raihan, Sakib, Azwar, Kamrul Islam. Okay, how come 2 Kamrul Islam here? Are you the same dark?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one is capital letter, one is small letter. Okay, no problem, I noticed. Now let's come back to Raihan. Mohammed Raihan, you tell me first your answer. How many forward path? I value equal to what? Raihan?
I value here is 3.
A bit loudly. What is that?
3.
3. Okay. Now you will get 0.5 if you can answer correctly. Can you tell me 3? Let's say the first one, I'm going to show you this way. Can you see my cursor? Kamrul. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Ryan. Yes. Okay. If you go one way from your home, R, go this. Look at it. This. Then this way. Can you go? Raihan? Yes. I'm showing you again. This way, and then come to this way, and then
yes.
This way. Can you go this way?
Yes.
How come you go this way? This way, if you go, then if you go this way, it is arrow marks in opposite direction, right? Can you go this way?
Not possible. Not possible.
Then why you say yes? Who said yes?
Mistake.
Hey, all of you mute your microphone, except Raihan. Okay, Raihan, you tell me the answer. What I'm asking? If you go this way, and then you come to the university, is it possible? Yes. Yes. If it is yes, then tell me what is the transfer function. If it is G1, it is G2, G3, G4, G5, G6. Then if you come from here to here, what will be the transfer function?
G1 plus G2 plus G3 plus G4 plus G5 plus G6. Add them all together.
What will be that? Here there is no G1, G2. Here it is something else. What is that now in this case?
X1, X2.
Hey, come on, Doc. G1 is what here? 1. So you want to say G1 plus G2 plus G3 means?
1 plus 1 plus 1 by S plus 1 by S plus.
Okay, no problem. You can stop here. Now let's come back to next guy. Sakib.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are the next guy. You haven't get any marks yet. So you give me the answer. You tell me what he said. Is he correct? If you go this way, it is from your home R, you are going to the college C. So R to C, if you go this way, you can go one way, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be the transfer function? Is it 1 plus 1 by S plus 1 by S? Like this?
It's 1 into 1, 1 by S into 1 by S into 1 by S.
That's it?
Yes.
Hey, Doc.
B3. That's
okay.
And
B3, then?
Then 1 into 1 into 1 into 1.
Then if you multiply all this, what is the final answer? Tell me.
That's what I have to do.
You go back to your little kindy guy. You have a little brother, a kindy brother. Ask him.
It's 1 by S, 1 by S, 1 by S is equal to, sir, 3 by S.
3 by S. Back to kindergarten, I think it's the best. I don't answer.
Sir.
I really wondered. 1 by S into 1 by S into 1 by S. Multiply this 3. What is the answer?
So 1 by S, 1 by S cube.
1 by S cube.
Sorry.
And if you
and
if you multiply B3?
Then B3 by S cube.
Okay. And 1 into 1 is 1. So your final answer is what?
B3 by S cube.
Good. So this is one way. How many way you can go to university from your home driving the car? Can you said you cannot go this way. He said no, impossible. Why impossible? The opposite way.
The opposite way, sir.
I cannot. What is
yes, sir.
What is the other way?
Sir, other way is that the one's straight line, then the upper two.
If you go other two, okay, if you go upper two, can you tell me the transfer function of this?
For them both.
Yeah, one by one.
No,
the middle one, B2 for B2 path.
So for B2 path, that would be one.
Go.
Yeah. B2 by S square.
Beauty. And then, are there any other way?
Yes, a B1 and the straight line that I told you.
Okay, what will be the transfer function for that B1 path?
I said that it's a B1 by S.
Beautiful. And are there any other way or all these three ways?
No, sir. But the bottom ones are both the opposite.
Good. I think I got the answer. You are absolutely correct, Sakib. And you will get 0.5.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now let's go and see the next step. What is going on? How many way we can go from your home to the university? How many way you drive car? And that's why you are saying, so front another traffic, if you see another traffic jam in front, assume you are in America, not in Bangladesh, then you will be caught by the police here and someone and all lot. So you cannot go to university this way. Hey, you understand? Yes, sir. So how many way? 2 way is this. Number 3 way is this, the red line I'm talking about. These 3 ways you can go. So if you go for number 1 way, what will be the feed forward transfer function? Okay, so I1 is just 3. I'm just telling you. The I1 will be 3. So I is equal to 3. So if 3 way means I equal to 3. I equal to 3 means 1, 2, 3, up to 3. So you can go with ting, tang, ting. This one you cannot. So up to this you have to write your equation. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
After that, what happened? Your transfer function you have to find. Now, I1 for first forward path, if you go number 1 route, if you follow, what is the transfer function? That is your G1. G1 into G2 into G3 into G4. Correct thing. And ting tang into 1 by S.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next is G2 Then G3. Tell me what is the G3 value, G2 value, straight away. And this is your G2, this is your
G2 B1 by S.
B1 by, G2 is B1 by S, okay? All of you agree with him?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's come here. G2 is path number 2, middle one. So it is ting, 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 and then go this way, go. What is that? Is it B1?
B2 by A square.
B2 divided by what?
A square.
S square.
Rest of you, sleep straight away.
Yeah.
B1 by
This
S.
one will be B1 by S.
Right, good. B1,
B1 by S.
you should understand. If cannot, you can discuss it with your friends later. Okay, that's done for your G1, G2, G3. I think everybody understood these things, that G1, G2, G3 is done in this way. So it is done. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Our next destination, next destination is delta. Delta is the determinant I'm talking about in our equation. Underneath is a delta. We are going to find delta first. And after that, we'll go for delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, and finish. So now to go for delta, we need to understand the definition of delta here. Yeah, someone wanted to, oh, I'm sorry. Known as 1 minus summation of all individual loop gain. So if you go for delta equal to, I'm taking the different pen, delta equal to 1 minus, this is standard equation from Mason's, from his thesis or from his innovation. So 1 minus what? 1 minus summation of all individual loop gain. So you have to first loop, how many individual loop? All individual loop, but how many individual loop there you have to find first. So how many loops, and summation of all the loops. So what is how many loops are there is the first question. Can you tell me how many loops are here? Loop. Okay, open question to everybody. You tell me how many loops are there. 0.5 marks. Okay, there are 3 participants. Ryan, Azwar, and Johair. 3 of you, and then Sakib. Rest of you, anybody, how many loops are there? I think most of you can answer this question. This is very straightforward. Okay, raise your hand. How many of you? 6. I'm going for, so don't answer, then negative marks. Just raise your hand. How many loops are there? You already know what is loop. Start from one node, come back to that node. 201, you're done. Yes, now some new people raise your hand. I'm going to ask question because Raihan already done, Tazwar done, so Sakib done, Mustafa is done. Arafatullah is the new guy today, or what? Is it Arafatullah? What? Yeah, Arafatullah. No, Arafat, you can give me an answer. How many loops are there?
So I think there is only one loop.
Okay, you are disqualified. Okay, next. Any other new people? Arafatullah is wrong. Actually, it is not correct. But I'm asking any other people. How many loop you cannot tell me, the whole class? How many loop are there? Yeah, now Hasnain Ahmed, good. Hasnain, can you tell me what is the answer? How many loop?
Sir,
Hey,
3.
3 loop, good. Now you tell me, you get 0.5 marks provided you tell me the 3 loops. Okay, can you tell me loop gain of the 3 loop? Then I think I will give you the marks. Loop gain means if G and H is a loop, then what is the loop gain? Loop gain is G into H. Like that, this 3 loop. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you. Can you tell me what are the loop gain? First loop. What is the loop gain of the first loop? Can you tell me? Hasnain? G into H.
Sir, no, sir, sorry, sir.
No, you can tell me. Why are you sorry? Oh,
I'm confused, sir.
You said 3 loops, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But you cannot understand which 3 loop. And what are the, can you tell me which 3 loops? Okay, okay, look at the video.
Sir,
Can you see, look at it, listen.
minus A1 minus A2 and minus
No,
A3.
no, no, look at this. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
see my cursor?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, look at it. This is
X2.
starting from this node.
Yes, sir.
And go and come back to
Yes,
this
sir, yes,
node.
sir.
This is one loop.
One loop, sir.
And then another
Second
loop
one
is
is
what?
another
Big
loop
one.
is
This, and come back
yes, sir.
this way. Like,
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
so if you consider the first loop, what is the transfer function? Loop transfer function. What is the G and what is the H in this case?
Sir, 1 by H.
1 by S is the G, and H is what? Feedback.
Sir, H is minus A1.
So if you say loop gain means G into H, right?
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
in this
sir.
case, loop gain will be what?
Minus A1 by H.
Why?
Yes.
Why you said I cannot? I'm sorry. I'm scared. Why? This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
So if you get this answer, then can you tell me what will be the second loop gain?
Second one is minus A2 divided by S square.
Beauty. What should be the third one?
Sir, minus A3 divided by S cube.
Beautiful. You get full 0.5. I know.
Thank you, sir.
Rahat Tazwar, Johair, and Kamrul Islam, and all these ducks are angry with me. Sir, we raise our hand why you did not give these things. Look, everybody
Me
should
too.
give, yeah, I hope that everybody should be considerate for your friend. Let this Hasnain come to the class participant, to be the class participant. He was a bit scared. Now he got strength. Next question, I think Hasnain will raise his hand as well. So thank you very much, Hasnain. You are right. Everybody can look how he means you start from one note and come back to the same note. That means if you start from here, look at the blue loop. If you start from here and come back to the same point, this is one loop. So we can say this is L1, loop 1, like that. How many loops like that? Can you tell me?
3 loops, sir.
How many?
3.
3 loops. All of you agree? This is the second loop, which is L2, and this is the third loop, which is L3. Good. So L3. If you see the 3 loops here, L1, L2, L3, because no other loop can be formed because of this B3 is in opposite direction, you know that, so it cannot be. So if it is like loop L1, what will be the gain? What will be the gain of L1, loop gain? I told you G and H, the loop, feedback loop. And what is the loop gain? Loop gain, the loop
A1 by S.
A1 by S. So you can say that loop gain S, that's what you said, minus A1 by S. Now, okay, minus A2 divided by S square. And L3, what is L3? Tell me in that way.
So minus A3 divided by S cube.
L3 is minus A3 divided by S cube. So, summation of all, L3 is minus A3 divided by S cube. Good. Okay, if you go to that page, it's a big 1 by S, 1 by S, 1 by S. That means 1 by S cube and minus A3. So minus A3 divided by S cube is the loop gain. So they said that summation of, in the equation, there's a summation of all the individual loop gain. That means all the individual loop gain means summation of all the individual L1 plus L2 plus L3. This is the summation of all the individual loop gain. You understand it? Hey, that's
Yes,
okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
then what happened after that? The plus. So your next equation is a plus. Then what is the next thing? Then next thing is summation of what? Gain product of all possible 2 loops that do not touch. That means if you understand from here, it is the 2 non-touching loop. 2 loops do not touch means meaning is 2 non-touching loop. That means 2 loops do not touch each other. That is called non-touching loop. 2 non-touching loop at a time. You have to consider, and gain and the product of them you have to add. So if you have, let's say, 3 non-touching loop, A, B, you have a L1, L2, L3, a 3 loop, they are non-touching. That means it will be the gain product of L1, L2 plus L2, L3 plus L3, L1. Got my point? So 2 non-touching loop at a time you are considering like this. So that means if the loop is 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, hey, they are not touching each other. So this is L1, this is L2, this is L3, and they're not touching each other, means you can do it like this. L1, L2, L2, L3, 2 at a time you are considering, and product of them you have to sum. Got it?
Sir.
Yes, but in our case,
Yes,
are they touching or non-touching? L1, L2, L3. You know, touching, non-touching means yes, they are touching.
So touching.
Touching. Each of them are touching each other. And the common touching point is here. Look at it. I'm going to draw with the different color. This is the common touching point, right? From here to here. This is the common touching point. L1, L2, L3, everybody touching over here. You understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if they are touching, then there is no existence of 2 non-touching loop. I told you already, non-touching loop existence can be like this. One is here, one is here, one is here. They are not touching each other. L1, L2, L3. If something like this, then this is L1, this is L2, this is L3. In that case, you can say they are not touching each other. In that case, I told you already, 2 at a time you have to consider means L1, L2 plus, and their product, and sum, L2, L3 plus L3, L1. Got my point? If it is like that, or if one is coming like that, L3, not this one, okay, just imagine that a big one. Okay, if this is one, L3 is the big one. L3 is the big one. So what happened now? L1 and L2 are non-touching, but L3 is touching with everybody. Yes, in that case, L1, L2 is okay. Then that one will be L1, L2. Only there's a 2 non-touching loop. This L3 cannot be. So in that case, only L1 and L2 will be the condition, because these are 2 non-touching, but the L3 is touching with everybody. You understand it? Okay, if it is clear to you, can you say L3, L1? This sort of things is not present in our case because there is no two non-touching loop in our example, so we don't need to worry about it. So you can simply write over here, this is actually 0, full stop. Then what is the next thing? Next thing is minus gain product of the 3 loops that do not touch, and that we do not have 2 non-touching loop. Are there any 3 non-touching loop there?
No, sir.
Okay, impossible, because there is no 2 non-touching loop. This is no question of 3 non-touching loop. Okay, if there is, then we have to go minus and write it down. Let's say all the L1, L2 are non-touching. As I'm telling you, L1, L2, L3, they are non-touching. L1, L2, L3, like the 3 non-touching. Then it will be L1 into L2 into L3 according to the formula. That is gain product of all 3 non-touching. 3 non-touching loop gain product you have to consider, L1 plus L2. That means your L1, L2, L3. But this L3, L1, L2, L3 all are touching each other in our case. So there is no question of 3 non-touching loops. So you should put here 0. You should put here 0, minus 0, then plus 0, minus 0. You don't need to put something like that. Once 1 is 0, then you just delete everything. So our answer will be up to this. So you can simply put the value here as 1 minus L1 is your minus A1 by S, L2 is minus A2 by S square, and this is A3 by S cube. Full stop. That means in your equation here, you have to write this guy as, and this is a sign here. So you are getting right here, plus A1 by S plus A2 by S square plus A3 by S cube. This is what you're writing for delta. And G1 you're writing here B3 by S cube into delta 1 will be what you have to write. You don't know, you have to find it, the delta 1. And G2 you already got B2 by S square into delta, you don't know what. Then plus G3. G3 you know that B1 by S into delta you don't know. So only these three things you need to find. One is delta 1, one is delta 2, one is delta 3. Once you get the delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, your C by R can be easily determined from here. That's the final answer you have to get. Once you get the delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Hey, you understand what I'm talking?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you look at it, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 to find, then you look, this is the, now you understand all of you that this is done, this is done. Now only this gut is giving you the delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Now delta 1, delta I is ith forward path determinant. That means if I equal to 1, then you are getting delta 1. I equal to 2, then you get delta 2. I equal to 3, then you're getting delta 3, like that. So question is what? If I equal to 1, then delta 1, how you find delta 1 if I equal to 1? That is the first forward path determinant. I equal to 1 means is the first forward path determinant, which is the value of the delta for that path. What does it mean? It means that's the value of the delta, which is already we found the same way. Only the thing is the block diagram that does not touch the ith forward path. If I want to find delta 1, I equal to 1, that means the first forward path should not touch the signal flow graph or block diagram. That does not touch the signal flow graph or the block diagram, whatever he said. Now if you go to the block diagram, that means we are going to find now delta 1. When we are going to find delta 1, we have to find the delta 1 exactly the same way delta we find. Same way we find the delta, the same way. What is the equation? For delta, there's a 1 minus and all individual loop gain. But one thing you have to go for. One thing you have to go for is ith forward path should not touch. What does it mean? It means, and then we can find the signal flow graph. So look at it. Ith forward path means which one? Ith forward path means for I equal to 1, which is the forward path we consider from your home to university? Straight line, right? Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
So if you say it does not touch the block diagram, means that straight path, that is the first path, you have to delete. After deleting the straight path, that you have to see it is not touching the rest of the block diagram. After that, you can find the delta on that. So if your forward path, ith path, first path, you delete, then I'm deleting, you look at it. If you delete and then delete like this, forward path is deleting. It says the forward path deleted. Hey, you understand it? What happened? All of you are silent. You get my point?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the forward path is deleted, then remaining block diagram is like this. And if it is the remaining block diagram, then we have to find from here the delta 1. Delta 1 is 1 minus individual loop gain. So after deleting the forward path, you try to remember what we are talking about. I'm talking about delta 1 we are going to find. Delta 1 is what? Delta 1 is I minus, what is that? Individual loop gain. So if you delete the forward path, the block diagram does not touch the forward path, first forward path. That means we delete it. After deleting, we are getting the delta 1 minus, then what is that? All individual loop gain. Now my question is, after deleting the first forward path, how many loops are there? L1, L2, L3. How many loops are there after deleting the forward path?
So 0.
Absolutely
No
good.
loops.
No loops. So,
No loops.
so all L1, L2, L3, all are 0. So it will be straight away 0. So your delta 1 is 1, the answer. That's it. Now, when you go for delta 2 equation is same, 1 minus. Then you have to find the loop gain. But at that time, when you go for delta 2, at that time I equal to 2, that is the forward path 2 will be deleted at that time. Forward path 2 means from your home to university you gone, that is the forward path 2, that will have to be deleted. So you go back to that one, the diagram. Okay, so you come back to the diagram what we had it earlier. We had the diagram like this. So we had a thing here like this, like this, like this. Ting tang, you know that, you remember. Now, if I go for forward path 2 means this is forward path 2, remember, the red path. So our forward path 2 was like this. Try to remember, ting, I'm drawing with the red diagram, ting, like this, and then go. This one was our forward path 2. Now I am going to delete the forward path 2. Look at it carefully. Okay, I'm going to delete this thing. If I delete forward path 2, how many loop there? L1, L2, L3. Can you tell me now?
0, sir.
0 also. Good. So like this, it is also 0. So your forward path is 0 means it is also 1. Similarly, if you go and delete forward path, that is the third path you go from your home to university, then you can see there is no loop also existing, because this from here to here you are cutting this point. 2 point you're cutting means deleting this 2 point. This point is deleted means your loop is gone. So L1, L2, L3 also not forming. So in that case, delta 3 case also, delta 3 case also, if you go for 1 minus, and there is no loop formation there also. So all the cases you can see delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, their values are 1, 1, 1. You understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
If you understand it, then all values L1, L2, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, all you have to put here the question mark, question mark, question mark. You put the value there, 1, 1, this is 1, and this is also 1. So all are 1, 1, 1. That's it. Then you get your answer. I'm just deleting the L1, L2, so you all understand it. So I'm going to write it, that the answer coming here, you simplify it, and you get the S cube cancel out. So what are the values coming at the bottom is A3 plus A2S plus A1S squared plus S cube, right? This is what you are getting at the bottom. S cube cancel out. Is it? What will be on the top? Anybody can answer, get 0.5 bonus marks. Go, raise your hand. How many? Kamrul Hassan.
Yes. Yes,
Don't answer. If anybody answer, negative mark. Rahat Tazwar, Kamrul Hassan. 2 of you. On the top, what will be? Sakib. Any new guy? No new people? Any new people can tell me what will be on the top? Rest of you, anybody can tell me what will be on the top? Maqbul Hassan. Maqbul also got the marks. Anyone else? No. Okay, I'm asking Maqbul because you got 0.25. Maqbul, can you tell me what will be on the top? Bit faster.
Yes, sir. In the denominator,
Numerator. Huh?
That first numerator.
On the top, yeah.
On the top, there will be B3 S cube plus
B3 what? B3?
So S cube.
B3 S cube. B3 into S cube.
Yes, sir.
No, then you're right. You're not right. Okay. Anyone else from the bottom? Anybody can raise your hand from the new people? Yeah, good. Mustafiz also. I think you got the marks. No. Okay, Mustafiz, you can tell me the answer.
Sir, it will be B3 S plus B2 S square plus B1 S cube.
B3 what? B3 into?
B3 into so it will be only B3 plus
plus?
plus S B2 S square S
B2S
plus
plus
yes plus B1 S square plus S cube.
Plus S cube.
Oh no S cube, no S
Okay,
cube. Sorry.
okay. All right, you are right. Thank you very much. Look
Thank you,
at
sir.
the answer. And on the top is what? B3. You simplify B3, B2S, right? Plus B1. Can you check it's okay?
B1 S squared, sir.
B1 S square. Right, that's it. So S cube cancel up and down. So ultimately C by R is going to be like this. This is our transfer function of G, and from you have to, it's a very okay. This is another question. Or you have to solve. I'm just asking question. You give me the answer. Raise your hand and tell me how many forward path should be there. Raise your hand. 0.5. How many forward path here? Raise your hand. How many forward path? Any new people? I'll just target. If you still cannot tell me new people, how many forward path? This is pathetic. How many forward path? New students. I'm talking about those who did not. Yeah, Siam Ahmed. You tell me what is the answer. Siam.
Hello, sir. Assalamualaikum.
Go ahead. How many?
Sir, 3.
3. There are 3 forward path you said. Okay, Siam, you are not correct. I think next we are going to the new guys. You had already Hasnain got any marks, or Hasnain got marks? Any new people? All are old guys here, I see. Everybody got marks. Hey, Pial, I got Pial. Yeah, Pial, you tell me. Abhijit Paul Pial. Abhijit, how many? Tell me.
Sir, only one, sir.
Absolutely correct. Only one, but yeah, you got
Easy.
0.5.
All what you have to go for forward path. How many forward path? Can you tell me, anybody? You can see the problem. Yeah, one forward path. Good. Only one. No, only one way, and that is that's what you have to write the equation in that case.
Okay, Pial, now you tell me if you want to get full 0.5, then you have to tell me the transfer function of that forward path. Otherwise, 0.25 you'll get. Go, Pial. Hello, Abhijit Paul Pial. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me what is the transfer function? G1, what? Is it 1 by S into 1 by S into 1 by S? Is it B1 into 1 by S into 1 by, or what? Can you see what is this? What is this?
Sir,
Abhijit?
it is G2.
It is what? G1. No, this is what?
G1.
Go ahead.
G1 into G2 into G3 into G4 into G5.
BOD. That's it. You get full marks, 0.5. Thank you very much.
One forward path means G1 delta 1, and this is delta, full stop. That's your equation. And you have to find the answer for this from here. Got it? Now, if I ask you, you say 1. If I ask you what is G1 equal to? Capital G, I'm talking about capital G1. What is the G1 equal to? Value of G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. This is what your G1. And delta and under delta 1 and delta. These are the two things you have to find in this problem. Then you get the transfer function, very simple, and you get your answer. Got it? Now, hey, rest of you are silent. Do you understand what is going on?
Yes, sir.
If you have a question, you please let me know, sir, I am having problem. One is L1 here.
Okay, open question. How many loops are there in this? Raise your hand. How many loops? Raise your hand, new people. How many loops are there? It's a very straightforward answer. How many loops? Anyone? New people? Hey, are you online with me? How many loop? You cannot tell me how many loop. I'm not giving you any negative marks. So you should try. I'm talking about the new students. Oh, dark people. Now it's a lot of student. Are you not looking at it? How many loops? Any children also can tell me how many loops are here. Please participate. New student, I'm asking. Okay, good. That's again Siam comes. I'm talking about someone else. Let's say Anushka. Anushka, what do you think? How many loops are there? Anushka, Ronak. Okay. 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 I got someone new. Okay. Samit bin Hassan. Muhammad Samit bin Hassan. Samit, how many?
Sir, 4.
Okay. Tell me what are the transfer function of each of the loop gain. I'll give you 1 bonus marks. First one.
L1.
L1 equal to what?
G2 into H1.
Good. Then L2?
G4 into H2.
G4 into H2. Good. Then L3?
G7 into H4.
Good. This is G7 into H4. Then L4, you said for loop. Where is the other one? What is the transfer function? Tell me.
G2 into G3 into G4
G4
into G5
G5
G6
G6
G7 and G8.
G7 G. Beautiful. This is the big loop, is the fourth loop. So you get 1 marks. That's it. What's your name?
Samit bin Hassan.
Samit bin Hassan. So go ahead.
Another one is L2 here. All the loop gain is a L2, L3 product of 1. Delta 1 just for whatever. But you understand what I'm telling you. If you can understand,
I think
this is the first forward path, right? This one should be removed.
Yes, sir.
After removing this, then you find the value of delta 1. Delta 1 equation, determinant equation is 1. What is the formula? 1 minus summation of all individual loop gain. So after removing the path, how many loop there?
Okay. Anybody can answer, raise your hand. Please, some new people, try to get marks. All right. I think now I should give the opportunity of the first guy. Who was the first? Siam on the top. Siam, you tell me what is the answer. How many loop? Siam, bit faster.
Sir, 4 loop.
4 loop. Okay, you are out of the challenge. Now next, Samit bin Hassan. Samit.
Sir.
Get faster, don't waste time.
3.
Okay, I understand it. You are right, you are wrong. Tahir, Mustafiz.
So it's 1 loop.
1 loop. What is the transfer function of 1 loop?
So G7 into H4.
What?
G7 into H4.
G7 into H4. Okay, I'll not give you the marks until you finish the whole answer. Okay. G7.
Oh, sorry.
Only one.
Okay, you're right. Mustafiz.
Yeah, G6 into.
No, you are okay. What are you talking? You are.
Oh, sorry.
G7 into H4 is correct. Just look.
I know that. What is that?
L3. L3.
That's loop gain is not the canonical form value. Is there only if L3. There is. You get the delta, you get the G, you get the delta 1, you get the C by R, you get full marks. But give it.
Okay, that's
so all of you.
Okay, hopefully you all understand. That's the end of our class, because after that nothing, you can just solve it by yourself. I think that should be fine. Everybody understood the lecture today, and you can solve the problem from the practice problem in the box, and from there you download and solve. The next class will find if you have any problem. Okay, that's all. I think all of you can go now, because the class is over. Only the guys, those who get marks, they will stay back and give me help me to put the marks. Okay, thank you very much. The class is over. Only the people, those who got marks, they will stay back. I'm just calling your name, those who are getting marks. Juhair, Kamrul, Rahat, Tajwar, Maqbul, Saqib, Asnain, Mustafiz, Piyal, Abhijit, and Samit bin Hassan. These guys should stay back, and rest of you go. You can go. Just stay 1 minute. Please don't talk now. We don't have enough time. Just I will open the name sheet, and you just tell me where is your name. This is very important. Then after that we can discuss. This is section 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go. Can you see the screen? Just tell me yes or no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, just wait. Okay, now you should see. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
one by a bit faster. One by Juhair. Juhair, you tell me the serial number, Juhair. Serial number is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Juhair, where is your name? Here, this card, is it? 17. Hey, Juhair Hawk, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Is it you, Juhair Hawk?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the screen, Juhair?
Yes, sir. I can see.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. This is you then. Juhair should get 1.25. Thank you, Juhair. You can go. Now next coming with the Kamrul. Kamrul, what is your serial number?
Number 8.
Number 8. Good. Kamrul should get here today 0.5, 0.5. So plus 0.5. Good. Kamrul, okay. Next, Tazwar. Rahat Tazwar, please. Which one? Rahat Tazwar.
So
serial
30
number.
maybe, sir. So
30.
29 or 30.
Not 29. 29 is this one. No.
Oh, no, next one, so 30, sir.
Oh, 30. Okay. Okay, 30. You get Rahat Tazwar get to 0.5. So plus 0.5. Then, okay. Then next got is Mokbul. Mokbul, where is your serial number? Mokbul, please first.
Sir, number 9.
Number 9. Good. So your serial number Mokbul is 0.25. 0.25. You can go Mokbul. Thank you very much. Now next guy is Sakib. Sakib,
Sir, number 3, sir.
Number 3, Sakib. This card, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, this one you are going to get, Sakib. How much marks you get? Sakib is 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 you are getting today. All right, no problem. After Sakib, Hasnain. Hasnain, can you tell me what is your 14? Hasnain Ahmed. Good. It is your first number. Hasnain is 0.5. 0.5. Good. Thank you, Hasnain. Next coming, Mustafiz. Please.
Your 37, sir.
37. Mustafiz 37.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 37. Mustafiz will get 0.5, 0.5, 1. Okay,
yes, sir.
Next, Pial, Abhijit. Abhijit Pial, where is your number? Abhijit?
The 23. The 23.
23, Abhijit Pial. You should get 0.5. Okay, fine. 0.5, Abhijit Pial, you can go. Next is your Samit bin Hassan. Samit?
39.
39. 39, Samit bin Hassan. You get 1. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
sir.
Yeah, 1. Okay, fine. Good. I think that's all. Everybody's marks. I'm saving it. And this is done. Thank you very much. And see you next class. Okay, I have no time because of the...
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.